This is Pam with Britland Services, and today we are going to work on cleaning out the garbage disposal drain on this sink. This is one of them where, and you might want to put on a pair of gloves, you can actually lift out this black piece and you can see it's kind of gross in there. And then likewise down inside the drain itself is going to be kind of yucky. So you're probably going to want to get some solution, and an old toothbrush I find works really well in this project. But a lot of people don't realize that this will lift out of most sinks so that you can clean in there. I've already done a preliminary wipe and you can see it's pretty nasty. So I'm going to get some of my all-purpose kind of cleaner here and spray some of that in there. And then I'm going to get an old toothbrush and I'm going to just start scrubbing all the gunk that's up under there, and you'll be amazed at how much better your kitchen will smell if you do this. And the other thing I've noticed is, I mean, you can do it every 2 days even, and you'll be it's kind of amazing, kind of gross how much builds up in there so quickly. So we are working on drain cleaning today for our garbage disposal. Garbage disposals are great, but they sure get nasty in there, don't they? How many of you knew that you could pull this out even? A lot of people probably didn't even realize that they could do that. So, I'm going to rinse everything really well. And I'm probably going to have 2 hands in order to clean that black piece that I pulled out here. So I don't know how much of that I'm going to be able to do and show for you today. But just helpful tips around the kitchen and the house. You know, I went for years and didn't even realize that this thing would pull out like this. Let me see if I can set the phone here and still be on video while I'm doing this. But yeah, I had no idea that you could even pull this out for years. And then when somebody told me about it, I was shocked at how much gunk there was under there. So you can write in the comments if you already knew how to do this, or if this is a new trick for you. And it does take a few minutes, you know, to get this done. So it's really helpful if you as the homeowner can do this for yourself periodically. If not, and you're one of our clients, then you can just request this service. It may take us a few minutes longer, especially on the deep clean, because it might not have been done for a while, but we're happy to do that for you as well. I should put on 2 pairs of gloves, huh? So this is how you clean some of the yucky smells out of your kitchen. And get some good old-fashioned maintenance tricks. You can also put like lemon or orange peels down your sink periodically, but it's still not going to get all this gunk off. It may temporarily make your drain smell good, but you really do need to pull this off as well and clean it. Okay, I think I've just about got it scrubbed in there pretty well. Toothbrush is starting to come clean now, so that's a good sign. All right, so we can stick that drain back in there. and we should have a much better smelling kitchen as a result of just that one little trick. The other thing is on your stoppers and things, you know, you do need to clean these periodically as well because they'll get all gunked up. This is not too bad right now. It's just an older stopper, so it's a little bit more stained. But you can get all the nooks and crannies with an old toothbrush, and then likewise around the drain edge right here can clean up pretty good. This one's, again, kind of stained and a little bit older, so it's not going to polish up like a new one would. Some more of this in there, just in case I can get some more of the staining off. But like I said, I think that's pretty stuck. All right. I love these sprayers, you know, that they have on the sinks to easily clean out everything. You get all that soap off that I have stirred up and gunk. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you very soon with some more household cleaning tips. Bye-bye.